David, the Hurco Open House, your annual event, it's just around the corner now, the 4th and 5th of December. And just tell us some of the highlights for our viewers as to why they should attend.
Okay, we have 11 machines powered up, cutting metal. We have 15 of our best suppliers, from work holding to metrology to finance. And it's always a great day, and the sandwiches are fantastic.
What about these two machines behind us here, the BX range? These are quite new to Hurco, aren't they?
Yeah, they're a new range that we launched, I think, start of last year. They're a little bit faster, a little bit more accurate, very good Y-axis travel. They offer a little bit, probably a higher end product than they're used to seeing from Hurco.
This is the interesting thing for me. So many products under the Hurco umbrella, isn't there? When it comes to 5-axis, you've not just got one model, you got several.
Yeah, we've got 14, 15 5-axis models, and it really depends on what your application is, which is the right one. There's no better or worse model. It's purely down to application.
Two ways I want to look at this. For existing Hurco users, there's a real draw, isn't there, the control? We'll talk about that one. Tell us about that first.
Yeah, we have some brand new software. People know our DXF software, 3D mold software, where you can conversationally program at the control. The solid model import and 3D DXF is really the next big step in conversational programming. And
you'll be able to do or see demonstrations of that happening here, won't you, at the show?
Yeah, we're going to show it for the first time here. It's still software that's got some development, but it works really well, and it's really nice for certain applications.
Okay, let's talk about companies that haven't purchased a Hurco machine before. What's the attraction for them to come through the door?
We have a lot to show. If you do small volumes, one-offs, prototyping, that kind of thing, we can really show you how you can get your first off programmed quicker and easier than any other machine. If you need to edit a part, we really have the best option, straight on the control, no need to go back down to the CAD/CAM office, and the iron is also pretty useful.
Okay, and there was two days last year. It was really busy. It was a really busy show. Expecting the same?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. It's been a very good, busy year, and we're expecting a lot of people here.
Good stuff. It's our 4th and 5th of December here at Hurco's headquarters. It's their open house. Register on their website, hurco.co.uk.